Hi, my name is Bill Bergstrom. I'm one of the co-founders of Clinical Notebook, and I want to welcome you to our free online medical media library. It's filled with opinions and comments from physicians on camera talking about issues that are commonly searched online. And while this service was designed to help better educate patients, it was also created to help physicians utilize new media and video-based technologies more effectively, efficiently, and more easy to use to better engage their patients. To that end, there's a dashboard-based system whereby you can directly record and share video comments and other content on this system and across multiple platforms simultaneously. This platform will enable you to increase your online presence, making it easier for patients and new visitors to find you. And it will also enable you to control what's being said about you online. And many other listing services, you have no idea what's being said about you or the information that's out there. Here, you get to control it. So ultimately, you get to have greater control of your own reputation management. Uh, One last feature of Clinical Notebook is the concierge virtual visit system. And here, you can connect with a colleague and or patients at a time of your choosing using our secure video system. Questions, issues, comments, please share them. We're here to help. We're here to make all these technologies uh, available for you and easier to use.